guys sa Venice. So beautiful. Ayun. Sigsigaw. Look like crowded in the night, no? Overdrive. Very beautiful place guys in Venice. Right there. Right there. Very tall, oh. Ay. Disturb. We try to walk guys from Landers to East NR, 11 minutes walk. Kuya, clean up like that. So very clean. Surrounding with building over here. Have Lexus. Right there. Lexus. Oh. Lexus. When is on the road? From Landers, we walk here 11 minutes walk. Is in our guys. Is in our over here. And then the St. Luke Hospital right there. Across the street.
You can't see yourself there.
I see my face. Oh. Hi guys, we're here now at the house guy from is in our guy. And we put this chicken, whole chicken guy.
269.
This is 269 chicken is in our chicken for our lunch. And we bought big pack of ground beef guys. This is cost of 790. Almost 2 kilos. I over 2 kilos. Less than 2 kilos, right? 790 in Landers guys.
No, that's enough.
I is in R. And next, this one we bought me this. Only 140. Wow. And this one. We need to sauce. Yeah. Wow. My husband is happy. You found this guy. Look at. Is in R in ano. BGC. No beans. We found this. And that's it, guy. And we spend that 2,000 plus. I know. Yeah, 2,000. I think 1,900. Like that. My bra is so show because of this clothes, guy. Always like that because they show your bra. I think this is the last wear. I need to give this to my niece, usually. And that's it, guy. It's time to cook our lunch, guy. I know, because we need to eat this chicken. And plus, look, because the ano is leaking. Hi guys, how are you doing today, guys? We went to Landers today, guy, and looking something we need, but I cannot find in Landers, guy. And 3 years ago, we went to Landers. The Landers is good, very nice. And then today is lot of changing that guy, where you enter like that. And then we roaming around and roaming around, finding we need, but I cannot find there in in Landers. And then we went to the meat area, guy. Going to the meat area. Last time, 3 years ago, I was there, but I cannot smell the bad smell. But this time, guy, oh my goodness, the smell is so bad. Mostly the meat area, guy. I don't know what happened. Very strong. I cannot stand longer in the area, guy, because the smell is so bad. So we decided to not buying anything over there because usually I'm not buying anything there what we need. And then we went to SNR. Usually from Landers, BGC to SNR, guy, 11 minutes walk lang siya. So pwede siya lakarin, guy. You need to walk only. So we went in SNR, guy. And when I was there in SNR, guy, lot of people over there, crowded usually. And then I get all of my stuff over there, guy. I buy everything there. And the meat area is not bad smell. No smell. Which very nice. I think that the reason the SNR is crowded compared to Landers, because the Landers you cannot find what you needed. My husband find over the chili ball without beans because they don't like chili ball with beans. So in SNR, have there. So they get to. And that's it, guys, for our experience today. Hopefully, guys, you enjoy our video. That's my experience today, guys. I told you the honest review, guys, because I smell if you go inside in Landers, mostly in the meat area, you can smell over there bad smell. Yeah, bad smell, guys. And then when compared to the SNR, no bad smell, it's fine. That's it, guys. We do laundry, guys. Yay! I'm happy because have laundry in the condo, guys.
Is that for anybody or is it really?
Bye, guys. Thank you, everyone. And see you in the next video. Thank you so much sa mga viewer and subscriber, guys.